Boo, we have a 25-minute wait. Do you like ranch or blue cheese better? Or both? Do either poll. And comment below if you like celery. Chicken and fries with cheese. You know, walk along the beach. And it's so fun. Am I lucky? My mom said we have extra time, so I get to play some arcade games. Family skee ball. Let's begin now. Let's begin now. Mom, do it for all my balls.
Do it right down the middle. Woohoo!
And hit. Oh wait, it's still loading. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna swipe my card. Oh, hold on. Oh, I didn't even swipe it right. Hold on, guys. Alright, here we go. Oh, I was so close. No. Guys, here we go again. Here we go again. Alright, it's just loading because it has to load a while for your tickets to get on the card. Alright, wait, guys. Oh! I was right next to it, guys. Oh my god. You can stop recording at any time. I got a lanyard. I got a little dice. I got a tabletop. And my stepdad, he got an eye patch, but I think he has it right now.